we're going to talk about tins that have 3D printed pallets. I have some. Okay, so this one, my nephew Danny made for me. It holds, I use this to pull that one out. This is solid all the way through. 12 colors, so that's kind of cool. This one also holds 9 colors plus 2 extra spaces, but I use the extra spaces for painting. This one holds 12 colors. My daughter gave me this palette. My daughter Carrie has a 3D printer. She printed this one for me, and then my nephew Danny 3D printed this one for me. So we're just gonna kind of go through and use them all. And I don't think you need to see my coffee, but yes, coffee. Coffee is wonderful. So what I'm going to do here is use these 3D palettes, mostly just this palette, but I wanted to show you how convenient it is to put it in your to-go bag and have something nice to take with you when you go out plein air painting, which I like to do a lot. Those of you that know me know that I like to do that a lot. So the first thing that I want to do is, we're going to move them out of the way, is make sure my phone wants to focus on something. So let's throw a pencil there. Focus on that. There you go. Okay. The other day I did some horses, and so I got them finished. So today I want to do, actually, I want to do a cow. So let's get this cow, let's get this cow's face in there. And this is Derwent Graphitant. For those that like to know what I'm using. Graphitant. What happens is they're water soluble, and when you're done with them, they you can use them like you're washing out. I'm gonna probably go over these again with some markers. We'll see how everything comes out here. I don't want to promise anything I can't deliver right off the bat, so we're just going to get this cow in here. And then she has pretty eyes, because they all do, and I'm not pretty fond of this here. I'm not so fond of this color that I just grabbed, because that's exactly what I did. I just grabbed some color and it's just do exactly what I possibly can with the photo that I have. So we're gonna give her a try. Put a cow on this page and then paint it. Paint Bessie, or whatever you want to call her. Some people have different names for their cows. But yeah, this is my thoughts for today is to get this. You know, they have I want to say tufsa. I don't know what other people would call it. A fluff of hair on the top of their head. that they have. So let's get that in there some more. And put some brisket. There's brisket there, right? Should be right around there. Yeah. I don't know why I kept holding that. Well, that's fine. Okay. And yesterday here in Minnesota, it was very hot, and it's like you can't go anywhere or do anything. It was pretty tough. Okay, so this is one cow. Okay, I don't really care for that one. Let's try this black. I'm gonna put some black in there. And then we snap it off. A little bit of an indent right there. Give her a little character. Because, you know, she deserves a little character. Yeah. Okay, well, let's get some color on her. And once again, I want to use I have my watercolors in this here, watercolor brushes in this here tin. I'm like trying to rethink what I want to do with this. So I'm not sure that I exactly want this the way it is. And I can't find what I'm looking for. Here it is. My size 6 Escoda, which is my go-to, my favorite. So let's try out this, okay, let's try out this. I'm gonna put that on there. And this one too. Because I want this cow to be colorful. Because what's the fun of having a cow if you can't have color? So we're gonna go with some color. Another thing too is we're gonna have a pink nose, because cows kind of have pink noses a little bit. The snout like that. Wash it out a little bit. I see that those lines really wash out. The Derwent is doing what it says it's supposed to be doing. It's washing it out. So that's kind of nice. It's doing what it's supposed to do. The paints that I put in this palette is an M gram, and some of them are M gram and some of them are Daniel Smith, but I never listed which was what because I like both of those. So yeah, the M gram really waters up, wets up much quicker than because it's honey based. So I'm sure this is. There you are, silly cow. We put some dark in there because we can. Put a little in the tufts up there. Yeah. Or her hair, I guess you would call it. And then we have these beautiful eyes. We gotta give them a little more color, just like that. And a little more brightness. So we're gonna give them some yellow. Right there. There you have it. There you have it. Won't you be my bovine? I mean, that's kind of corny, but I'm good with it. Okay, so we need some grass around her. We're going to use this indigo. We'll start with some indigo. And then we're gonna, ooh, it is not set up yet. It's still pretty much. Put some green in there. I just filled this palette here just the other day. Oh, by the way, thank you, Carrie. Thank you, Carrie, for this one. I really like this. So now we have a cow in the field. doing cow things. Thanks for watching, everybody. Always sign your work. I'm using a Sarasa clip zebra number 5. So I got that too. Yeah, I'll probably just fill it in a little bit more with some more darker colors. We should actually probably do that. It's gray. And this is where you ruin your art. Maybe. Or you can just throw it on the wall and enjoy it, which is not a bad idea. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you like what I do, go ahead and subscribe and share, and everybody have a great day. Bye.